So I got the new steering wheel, GM, the Alcantara. I got my little tool set. Remove the steering wheel, remove the airbag. These little, you gotta drive. I use this little pin thing right here. So what you gotta do is basically got it in here. You can see where it moves, pops right out. Got the Loctite and all that, so I'm going to remove all this right here. My other camera's charging, so bear with me. But yeah, the other steering wheel's pretty badass. I got it pretty cheap. I'll update you in a little bit. I'm going to remove these tabs and we're going to go from there. See how that goes. I'll update you when I'm done. Alright, so I got the airbags off. Just little pigtails, no big deal. I got the torque, this little bolt right here. Disconnected this. Pretty straightforward. It's not as complicated as it sounds or as it seems. But yeah, man, I got the steering wheel pretty cheap, dude. OEM for like $400 off eBay. I guess the guy didn't want it, or who knows, whatever the case might be. But yeah, let me get the little torque bolt and get this out of here. So I got a T50 bolt for this bolt right here. Hopefully it's not on tight. I guess it's righty tighty, right? There you go. So after I get this out, it should be pretty much just bolt on the new one. It's not as hard as I thought it was going to be. Because I couldn't find this little spot right here. I thought maybe a little bolt has a little, I mean, it wasn't that tight. Popping it off. Okay, what now? There you go. So that's basically all it is to take the old one off. As you can see, the wear on it, I mean, it's a 2013, so I mean, when I first got the car, I was like really disappointed, but I was like, yeah, it's one of my things I've been wanting to do. It's just all fucked up. So yeah, I was on eBay looking for some steering wheels, and I found this one right here. So I'll show you in a little bit. And I was like, well, I mean, fuck it, YOLO, right? Probably gonna clean this one up. Try to clean it up as much as I can with some Alcantara cleaner or whatever, and put it on eBay for sale, or you know, have it as an ornament or something. Here's the new one. The new one's yeah. See that? Should I get a close up on that? And I had my old Z01, had the Alcantara package, so I had the armrest and steering wheel and some other shit over here on the dash. And I was really disappointed that GM didn't do this with the CTS. I'm pretty sure they probably did it with the Black Wings, but not with these bad motherfuckers. But it's real nice. Real bougie, I guess you could say it. Uh-oh. Oh, I guess it goes like that. Yeah, I guess so, right? I guess we'll find out. Yeah, because why wouldn't it, right? Goes like that. Yeah. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I got a little scary there because I heard a long time ago when I was doing the steering wheel on the Mustang and I was fucking around with it, like just spinning it around for some fucking reason. I guess my autistic self or whatever. and I ended up fucking up some shit inside. So I was always kind of like, oh great, I fucking did that again. Let me go put some Loctite on this little bolt, and we'll get this thing bolted up. So I'm gonna use the thread Loctite, the blue one. Make sure you get the blue one because I think it's removable. So in case, you know, down the road if I get another steering wheel or whatever, it'd be easier. Because I almost bought the other one, the red one, and that's permanent apparently. So I was like, nah, let me just get this one. And oh well, it's not gonna work. Fucking need to cut this shit off. Be right back. Hold on. Alright, so I'm back. Just put a little bit right here, I guess. Well, not like that. Jesus Christ, what the fuck? I guess, right? Whatever. It's supposed to be fucking... It's supposed to come out like that? Man, shake wheel enough, I don't know. Alright. I probably put too much. I mean, I don't know. Alright. Put this on the fucking thing. Loctite on there. Make sure I clean my hands because it was fucking jizzing all over the place. Yeah, I was on the forums, a couple guys on YouTube, they were like, one guy used a fucking thing that I'm using, a wrench, and then another guy said to use a fucking impact driver, but I was like, nah, dude, what the fuck? I mean, I'm just gonna fucking tighten the bitch down like that. Hopefully the motherfucker doesn't come off when I'm driving or something, you know what I mean? Worst case scenario. Now jizzed Loctite. Give me a second. Get another little squeeze, I guess. Should be good enough. I mean, I really can't go anymore. Maybe I can. Well, I mean, one more. Alright, that's it right there. Should be good. Simple, I guess. Just goes in here. Does it? Yeah. Check. Cool. Airbag. Watch this motherfucker pop on me or something. That'd be crazy. So I guess you match the pink with the pink, and you know, so on and so forth. Common sense, I guess. I don't know. Now I'm kind of shy because I connect I didn't disconnect the battery. I don't want this motherfucker to pop on me. Maybe I should disconnect the battery. Alright, so sorry about that. So anyways, I connected the little plugs, little clips right there, and they push them in. Did disconnect the battery, but then I was like, I mean, will it pop? I don't know, dude. I don't know. I mean, it would have popped already. I think the car has like a sensor or something, dude. I don't think it's just gonna pop just for the fuck of it, right? I mean, it works. Am I supposed to get this bitch in? Am I supposed to put those tabs in there again? Squeeze them up. Oh, there it is. Oh. I kind of want to.
Where the magic castle sells the tickets, but like the
copyrighted, bro. You know what I mean? Just making sure all the buttons work. They're nice and stiff, you know. Yeah, that works. That works. That works. They're nice and it's called like they pushed me back compared to the old one. The old one, she never did that. Man, I wasn't used to that. It reminds me of a new car, basically. Well, I mean, that's a new steering wheel. Yeah, look at that motherfucker. It looks clean, huh? I want to keep that steering wheel cover on it for a while. Get off of work. I don't know. Yeah, I'd want to keep it for a little bit. Fucking, I don't know. This is like nice. It's not like worn down, I guess you could say. There's like a fucking feel to it. It's hard to explain, but you know what I mean. I got the old one right here. Look what a fucking difference it made. You know what I mean? Now when I press these buttons, they're like a fucking, like you're playing pool with a rope. You know what I mean? Meanwhile over here, you got these bad motherfuckers. There's a little. It has that new touch to it, you know. But, all right, let me. All in all, it was an easy process. Like no bullshit. It took me like less than 20 minutes. Less than 20 minutes, more than likely. I struggled more with the steering wheel because you need to find these pins right here. So what you do, I know probably went over this shit already. All right, so basically I had to use the new one to figure out how to pop open. So you got a hole right here. All right, let me show you. Just a little hole right here, and pay attention to this guy right here. This is what holds the fucking airbag. So I had kind of like tug it, kind of find it, and it pops out. Sort of pops out. It's like a weird sensation. It just pops out. You know what I mean? So you kind of know that's what it is. But yeah, dude, fucking not bad for $400 on eBay. Not bad, dude. Yeah, look at that. I like the way it looks. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it looks better than that old fucking worn down piece of shit over there. Probably gonna clean it, like I said. I'm gonna clean it, see how good it looks. Shift knob, I got a custom one coming up. I'll make sure to give you a video for that. And these headlights right here are badass. I like the way they look. I mean, at night, I've been driving a car around this week. The weather's been nice, so it's been pretty badass, bro. But yeah, appreciate y'all checking in. Like and subscribe and whatnot. Also, trying to get a tripod for back of the car. Do some pulls, I guess, on the highway. Let this motherfucker scream. You hear the ported blower on it. Yeah, so nighttime shots. I get off of work late, so I'm always driving alone. Do some highway pulls. But yeah, man, check y'all out. Appreciate it.